Mastering idioms, understanding, have a head for. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, have a head for. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, have a head for, is used to describe someone's natural ability or talent in a specific area. For instance, when we say someone has a head for numbers, it means they are naturally good at math or handling figures. It's as if their mind is particularly suited, or shaped, for that specific skill. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, have a head for, dates back to times when people believed that the shape and size of one's head could determine their personality and abilities. Today, we know this isn't true, but the phrase stuck around as a way to describe natural talent. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom works in everyday language. 1. She has a head for business. This means she is naturally good at understanding and managing business affairs. 2. He doesn't have a head for heights. This implies that he gets uncomfortable or dizzy at high altitudes. One common mistake is using the phrase for skills that are learned rather than innate. For example, it's incorrect to say, he has a head for driving, because driving is a learned skill, not an innate ability. And that's all on the phrase, have a head for. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations. Remember, English is full of such expressions, and mastering them can really boost your language skills. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.